Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the API key and bot token so the extractor can authenticate. This prevents blocked requests. Once done, make sure you have access to the target source, login credentials, correct selectors, and respect rate limits to avoid IP bans. Install and activate your runtime, Python or Node, and a virtual environment. Then pip or npm install the extractor package and dependencies. This immediate setup gets you past permission and environment issues, so you can run the bot now. You now configure the extractor. Map CSS/XPath selectors to the exact fields you need and test extraction on a small sample of pages to validate structure. Next, tune concurrency, request throttling, and exponential backoff so you balance speed and reliability. Too many threads cause bans, too few waste time. Enable detailed logging and set an output format, JSON for structured pipelines or CSV for spreadsheets. Once configured, run a dry extraction, inspect results, and iterate on selectors and finish by validating and normalizing extracted records, then import them into your database or data pipeline. Consistent field names and types prevent downstream errors. Archive raw HTML or responses for audits, and enable credential rotation for long runs to avoid token expiry. If something breaks, start simple. Recheck selectors against current page HTML, increase intra-request delays, and verify headers or cookies are being sent. This targeted troubleshooting solves most issues quickly and keeps the extractor running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.